When it comes to indoor plants that thrive in low light, clean the air, and require minimal care, here are some excellent options. 1. Snake plant. Sansevieria. Snake plants tolerate low light conditions and can purify the air by removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. They have thick, upright leaves that come in various shades of green and yellow. 2. ZZ plant. Zamioculcas zamiifolia. ZZ plants are known for their ability to survive in low light and neglect. They have glossy, dark green leaves that add an elegant touch to any space. 3. Pothos, Epipremnimorium. Pothos are easy care trailing plants that thrive in low light conditions. They come in different varieties with variegated leaves, making them visually appealing. 4. Peace lily. Spathophyllum. Peace lilies can tolerate low light and are excellent air purifiers. They produce beautiful white flowers and have lush, dark green foliage. 5. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema. Chinese evergreens are low-light champions and come in various patterns and colors. They require minimal care and can help improve indoor air quality. 6. Dracana. Dracana spp. Dracanas are versatile plants that come in different varieties suitable for low-light conditions. They can filter common indoor air pollutants and add a touch of tropical vibes to your space. 7. Spider plant. Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants are adaptable and can thrive in both low and bright light. They produce cascading foliage with arching stems, creating a visually appealing display. 8. Cast iron plant. Aspidistra aletio. Cast iron plants are exceptionally hardy and can tolerate low light and neglect. They have dark green, leathery leaves that bring a touch of elegance to any room. 9. Devil's ivy, Epipremnimorium. Devil's ivy, also known as golden pothos, is a popular trailing plant that is low light tolerant and easy to care for. Its cascading foliage adds a lovely decorative element to any indoor space. 10. Philodendron. Philodendron spp. Philodendrons are low light tolerant plants that come in various shapes, sizes, and leaf patterns. They require minimal care and can help freshen indoor air. Remember to consider your specific lighting conditions and preferences when selecting indoor plants. These options are known for their ability to thrive in low light, clean the air, and require easy care, making them great choices for indoor gardening enthusiasts.